Remember before? This is after. Everything's picked up. He's taking the toys I've put in his little bucket and sticking them inside the big bucket. Good job. Are you putting it away like a big boy? Put it in the bucket. Put it in the toy box. Good job. Yay. Yay. Is that gonna fit? There you go. Good job, Gabriel. Good job. Yay. Good job. Big boy. I don't think the ball's gonna fit. He's like, nope. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Gabriel, say bye-bye.